Craft Little Things. Today I thought I'd share with you one of my latest purchases, which is this Brother Labeler. One of the reasons I got it was because it makes customised ribbon, which I thought would be really useful for little crocheted items and for gifts and stuff, and even for card making. The other reason was that I've been cataloguing all my dies, well, putting them all onto magnetic backgrounds, making little pouches for them and labelling them up just with what they are. So that's going to be really useful. I got it for a ridiculous price because I had a £10 off voucher. I think I can't remember, it was really cheap anyway. So I have opened it and I have put batteries in it. I've also ordered a 9-volt cable for it because the batteries lasted about 20 seconds. And this is a Brother labelling machine. They are not exactly the best of batteries, I must say. But anyway, it's gone really dark now. Now this cartridge is a self-adhesive laminated black on white tape. And then the one that's in it is a white ribbon that prints out in gold. So yeah, so you get it like this. You switch it on quite easily like that, switch it off again. It loads really easily. You just pull the back there, and this is the cassette, and you just lift that in and out. So if I take that one out, I pop this one in. You just take out the safety strip. You pull that out like so, and then you just slot your cartridge in, okay, like that. Your batteries go here, or there is a 9-volt, as I said, main supply, which is something I need to get an adapter for. And then it's just really straightforward. So I'll just turn it on and zoom in a little bit. So it's got a QWERTY keyboard. There are different fonts. You can do things like bold and italic. You can have specific sort of borders on your labels if you want. Yeah, it's really handy. So I'm just going to do a really sort of basic one. I'm just going to switch it on here. And then I'm just going to choose the outside of my, I'm going to go for that sort of ripped tape effect. What I'm going to just put on here is I can just do a shift to get my capital C, and then shift again, just put circle dies, and that's all I want to do. Maybe I want to make it bold, which I've done so there. Press OK and it'll say accepted. And maybe I want my font to be large. Press OK. And maybe I want to change my font, so I can change it to a range of fonts here. OK, we'll go for that one. And then all I do is I click print. How many copies? 1. Okay. And out it comes. And then I just click that to cut it off. And there it is, circle dies. And now I can just peel that back off. And peel the backing off. And I can just stick it to something. There we go. And so I could stick it onto my die sheet, that's exactly what I'm going to do with that one. Okay, it's dry very quickly. Look, it's not smudging. And like I said, you can put ribbon, you can get different coloured tapes, you can get transparent tape. This is like a really sort of laminated, shiny one. So yeah, lots of different things you can use it for. Definitely got some craft applications in terms of labelling up our dies and I mean, I've got lots of boxes that have things in them, but I've got no labels on them saying what's inside. So if I'm like looking for some sequins or something, I think, oh, which box did I put those in? And they look pretty, but they've not got anything, it doesn't say what's inside, so I'll be able to do that, even if I did it on the back of the box, so that I knew. Yeah, so it's really nice. I recommend this. Quite handy. I don't know how much is on, let me just see how much, 4 meters on of this tape on this one. You can get longer ones, you can get wider, and you can get thinner ones as well, tapes. And like I said, you can get different colours. This one's a ribbon, so this prints gold onto white ribbon, which is really pretty. And you can really personalise things if you're doing a wedding or a christening, a baby shower or something like that. That would be a nice way to do a reveal as well of a gender or something, by revealing the baby's name on the little ribbons that are on the favours and things. So I just thought I'd share that with you because I do really love that, and it's not that expensive. It's available all over the place. I'll put a link to where you can find it on Amazon, but like I said, I just got it from Create and Craft because I had a discount code for there, so I thought I may as well use that on a sort of a more sort of sizable purchase if you like, but like I said, they're not that expensive. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.